Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will solve another problem using TypeScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Problem: write a program that uses Ohm's law to find the current of the circuit with given resistance of 10 ohms and the voltage of 120 volts and display the results on the screen. So we have here the code. We have a series of comments here, and then I declare two variables: var voltage 120, var resistance we have 10. For solving for the current of the circuit, we are using this formula: var current assignment statement equals voltage divides resistance. Now in TypeScript, we want to have two decimal places, so current equals mat floor current multiply by 100 divide by 100. Console the title of our program: current solver in TypeScript. Given voltage, display here. Given resistance, and then the current, the resistance in amperes, and a program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with our Visual Studio Code. In the terminal window, let us compile tsc space current .ts. Press the enter key. Let us wait for the compilation process to take place. It takes some time. Okay, to run node space current.js. Press the enter key. So current solver in TypeScript, given current we have 120 volts, given resistance 12 ohms, the current is 10 amperes, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on current solver in TypeScript programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.